The 2025 Ferrari Roma continues to redefine the grand touring experience with a captivating blend of elegance, performance, and everyday usability. As a spiritual successor to Ferrari's front-engine GT lineage, the Roma maintains its unmistakable charm while integrating subtle yet effective updates to push its capabilities and appeal even further. With its sculpted bodywork and minimalist design cues, the Roma is a nod to Ferrari's classic era, yet it's thoroughly modern underneath. At first glance, the Roma's exterior design commands attention with a sleek silhouette that effortlessly blends muscular curves and refined lines. For 2025, Ferrari has made a few aerodynamic refinements, improving downforce and stability without compromising the car's clean aesthetic. The flush-mounted grille, slim adaptive LED headlights, and integrated active aero elements all contribute to a look that is both aggressive and sophisticated. The long hood and short rear deck reinforce the classic front mid-engine layout, giving the Roma a timeless GT profile. Under the hood, the Roma retains Ferrari's potent 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, now slightly tuned to deliver a more responsive and exhilarating driving experience. With over 620 horsepower and 561 pounds-ft of torque, the 2025 Roma sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.4 seconds and reaches a top speed north of 200 mph. The V8's power delivery is linear and thrilling, accompanied by a soundtrack that is quintessentially Ferrari, refined yet ferocious when unleashed. An updated version of Ferrari's 8-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures seamless gear changes whether in full attack mode or gliding effortlessly on the highway. Chassis dynamics are equally impressive. The Roma features Ferrari's advanced side slip control system and revised electronic stability controls, offering a more intuitive and engaging driving experience. Whether carving through tight corners or cruising at high speed, the car feels planted, precise, and surprisingly forgiving for a high-performance vehicle. The steering is sharp and direct, giving the driver a confident connection to the road without being overly twitchy. Adaptive dampers, improved suspension tuning, and lightweight aluminum construction result in a ride that balances comfort and control. Inside, the 2025 Roma introduces several refinements to its tech suite and cabin ergonomics. The dual cockpit layout remains, with the driver and passenger separated by a sleek center console that integrates most of the controls. A fully digital 16-inch instrument cluster sits behind the steering wheel, offering customizable views, while a secondary touchscreen in the center stack provides access to infotainment, navigation, and climate controls. The passenger display, which shows speed, gear selection, and performance data, enhances the shared driving experience. Materials throughout the cabin are premium and meticulously finished, with hand-stitched leather, aluminum accents, and carbon fiber available for those who want a more motorsport-inspired feel. Comfort levels are high, with well-bolstered yet supple seats that support long-distance driving as easily as spirited canyon runs. Noise insulation has been improved, making the Roma quieter and more relaxing at highway speeds until the driver opens the throttle and unleashes the V8 symphony. Technologically, the 2025 model benefits from enhanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a more responsive voice command interface. These additions bring the Roma closer to the usability standards of luxury grand tours without diluting its performance essence. Ultimately, the 2025 Ferrari Roma is a near-perfect expression of modern GT motoring, a car that looks as good as it drives, feels luxurious without being soft, and carries the soul of Maranello in every curve and corner. It remains an ideal choice for those who seek the prestige of the Ferrari badge, the thrill of a true sports car, and the comfort to enjoy it every day. Whether parked on a boulevard or blasting down an open road, the Roma continues to embody La Dolce Vita in motion.